A New York-bound Amtrack train that left New Orleans on Sunday got stuck in Virginia, where a snowstorm also caused a massive delays on I-95. On Monday, according to Atlanta ABC affiliate WSB-TV, the train resumed its northbound trip late Tuesday. Kip and Nair, who were traveling with their two young children, told NBC affiliate WWBT that instead of flying, they decided to take the train while returning home from vacation at Walt Disney World. The family left Florida at 4 p.m. on Monday and expected to make it back home to Pennsylvania by 9 a.m. the following day, according to the outlet. However, the trip ended up taking much longer. Kip told the outlet that the lack of communication from officials and limited resources made the experience much more difficult. There's just not enough food or water. Honestly, lack of food, lack of supplies. We heard an announcement saying, "Does anyone have size 3 diapers?" Kip told WWBT. Damn, that is crazy, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure y'all smash that like button and subscribe. Hit that notification bell gang for more content. Share the video if you like as well. These snowstorms, a lot of people don't take very serious. Alright, so instead of taking the train with the rest of the family, Kip says his parents decided to travel by car, according to WWBT. Even by waiting out the storm at a hotel in South Carolina, they still ended up beating the rest of the family home by 8 hours, outlet. Another passenger who boarded the train in Atlanta also pointed towards a lack of communication as a source of frustration. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is all right now that they have on this story, man. When you get stranded, in a snowstorm, it's a wrap, man. It's pretty much a wrap, especially if you ain't got anything to fall back on, like supplies mainly. Mainly it's just the supplies, ladies and gentlemen. So make sure, if y'all taking the risk to to travel in these heavy snowstorms, to have extra clothes, blankets, especially if you taking a plane, or, well, I say a train anyway, because it's worse to take a train in a snowstorm, in my opinion, because of the fact that when the train gets stuck and you just struck, everybody's gonna be getting frustrated regardless. So hopefully everything will work out for these passengers, and they get to their destinations safe and sound. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell button for more content. This your boy CJ Robinson Jr. signing out.